So we've been asked a lot recently, how can you factory reset the amplifier? So I'm going to show you how to do that here. It's pretty simple. You will need a small tool like a paper clip or a thumbtack or something like that. There is a small hole on the back of the amplifier here. It's on the far right hand side of the amp, just above this silver torque screw. There's a small hole there. So to factory reset the amp needs to be fully turned on, which you can see by the display here in the blue shark fin. Amp's fully turned on. And what you're going to do is press that recess button inside that small hole and hold it down for 10 seconds. Once we do that, the amp will come back to factory default settings. It will be on the current version of firmware, so whatever version of firmware you've updated this to, it will keep that version. It just sets all of the settings back to default. So I'm going to do that here really quickly, and you can see what it looks like on the front screen. Now you can see during the factory reset process, the shark fin logo is going to change to a cyan color. It's going to say factory reset on the front display. It takes a few seconds for this to complete, and when the factory reset's done, the amp will reboot itself and it will come back up fully at factory default settings. So there you have it, factory reset of the amplifier.